Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update macOS 27 to the latest version. So basically all you need to have is stable Wi-Fi connection, so make sure that you have it. Go to Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen, enter System Settings, then go to General on the sidebar, select Software Update in here, and let your MacBook check for available updates. And if it finds an update to your developer beta, you'll be able to install it right away. Now, if you would like to know how to update to macOS 27 developer beta, we have a separate video on that topic on our YouTube channel, so you're highly welcome to go ahead and check it out. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.